slammed into the wall. Oh, man!
In that wreck. We've only got 6 laps to go.
Only Ricky, Bobby, and John Gerard got away clean.